Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting tools in place so the rest works predictably. Install JDK 11 or 17 and confirm Java version. Set Java home if required. Next, install Android Studio primarily to get the SDK, SDK Manager, and emulator system images. Once done, open SDK Manager and install latest SDK platform and command line tools. Finally, install VS Code and add the Android or Flutter-related extensions so VS Code can talk to the SDK. Once the SDK is installed, make sure VS Code can find it. Set Android Home or Android SDK root to the SDK folder and add Platform Tools plus Tools/bin to your path. This lets a DB, AvManager, and emulator run from terminals and from VS Code. Create an AVD using AvManager or Android Studio's AVD Manager and download a matching system image. Start the emulator to confirm it boots. Make sure USB debugging is enabled on a device if you prefer testing on hardware. Now integrate. Open VS Code settings and point the Android extension to your JDK and SDK paths so builds use the right tools. Open your Android project or Flutter project and pick the target device from the status bar. Use the run/debug command to build and deploy. If the build succeeds, you're done. If something breaks, first confirm path, Android Home, and Java Home are correct. Verify emulator and ABI match the app. Restart VS Code and the emulator. Often fixes lingering toolchain detection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.